Whether you create a note from scratch on Chartnote using snippets, dictate, or use our AI scribe on your phone, transferring your notes to Veracity EMR is quick and easy with just one click. With our Chrome extension, you can seamlessly integrate Chartnote with Veracity through intelligent mapping. This feature lets you map sections of your Chartnote document directly to placeholders in your Veracity template, creating a streamlined workflow. When you open the extension, you'll see all your notes listed here. The extension automatically detects if you have a note open in your EHR, making the integration process seamless. To get started, click here to set up your initial mapping. You only need to do this once per template. In this window, you'll see your Chartnote document sections on the left and the Veracity patient chart on the right. Simply drag and drop a Chartnote section to the Veracity field. You can assign multiple sections, and if needed, unmap them at any time. Next, click here to enable placeholder replacement in your EHR. Placeholders must be inside brackets or curly braces. Remember, your Veracity template must use matching placeholders for the replacement to work correctly. Once mapping is complete, click Save and Apply to save your settings. Your note will then transfer into Veracity instantly. After the initial setup, transferring notes becomes a breeze, just one click. Need to review or edit your mappings later? Simply click here. With intelligent mapping, Chartnote takes medical documentation efficiency to the next level. We're continually building deeper EHR integrations, so stay tuned for exciting updates.